S Wi-Fi has 11.6-inch display. Length 32.9 cm, breadth 23.5 cm make it portable. Weighs just 1 kg 850 grams for easy carrying. This laptop has a 2-megapixel camera for video calls and photos. Experience the power of Android on this laptop. Enjoy 128 GB of storage for all your apps, photos, and more. With 4 GB RAM, multitasking is a breeze. This device has all the features you need to stay productive on the go. This laptop comes equipped with the MT8183 processor and Mali G72 graphics. The 1366 by 768 pixel IPS display provides vivid visuals. The lithium-ion polymer battery delivers up to 6 hours of usage per charge. With these features, this device offers solid performance and portability. With ports for charging, headphones, and extra peripherals, this laptop lets you plug in and work on the go. Featuring one Type-C port, one 3.5mm audio jack, and 2 USB ports, it provides connectivity for your essentials. Slim and portable, it's designed to keep you powered up wherever you need to use it. The Gibook 11 has an 11.6-inch display in a 27.3 by 19 cm chassis weighing just 1 kg 630 grams. It's portable with a slim design. This laptop has a 2-megapixel camera for video calls and photos. This is a laptop with juice that supports app functionality, 64 GB storage for saving photos and videos, and 4 GB RAM for smooth multitasking. It has the features you need in a portable device. See the new laptop with MT8788 processor for efficient computing. It has a 1366 by 768 pixel LED display for clear viewing. The lithium-ion polymer battery provides up to 8 hours of battery life for all-day use. This notebook comes equipped with Bluetooth connectivity and Intel's 10th generation Core i5 processor, delivering versatile performance. Additional features include a 15.6-inch Full HD display, 8 GB RAM, 1 TB hard drive, and Windows 10 Home operating system. With a lightweight, slim design, it's easy to take this laptop anywhere. 2 USB 2.0 ports in this sleek and powerful laptop make transferring data a breeze. Now, a look at the ratings. These scores evaluate key features and overall performance. Hear from real customers on our product. Reviews highlight the key benefits people love. The PrimeBook S has an 11.6-inch display in a 33.0 by 24.0 cm lightweight, portable body weighing just 1 kg 100 grams. With its compact size, the PrimeBook S is easy to take anywhere. This laptop has a 2-megapixel camera for capturing photos and videos. This device comes with Premios for seamless experience, 128 GB storage to store all your data, and 4 GB RAM for efficient multitasking. With these features, it offers reliable performance for daily use. Introducing the PrimeBook S 4G. It comes equipped with a Mali G72 graphics processor for efficient visuals on the 1366 by 768 pixel IPS display. The lithium-ion polymer battery provides up to 6 hours of power. This mobile device offers connectivity and entertainment in a portable package. This notebook has 802.11ac Wi-Fi with N compatibility. It also features a 15.6-inch Full HD screen, 8 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD storage, backlit keyboard, HD webcam, USB 3.0 ports, Windows 10 Home, and up to 5 hours of battery life. This lightweight aluminum laptop weighs just 4.2 pounds. Experience efficient charging, immersive audio, and expanded connectivity with this laptop designed for effortless productivity. It includes Type-C charging, a 3.5mm audio jack, and two USB ports to power through your day. Axel ViewBook laptop comes with 14.1-inch display for immersive viewing. Weighing just 1.3 kilograms, this 33 centimeter long laptop is easy to carry around. The lightweight build makes it portable. This laptop has a 2-megapixel camera for taking pictures and videos. This lightweight laptop runs on Windows 11 Home operating system, providing smooth performance. It comes with 128 GB storage to store ample data and files. The 4 GB RAM enables efficient multitasking and quick operations. Experience immersive visuals on the 14-inch LED display powered by Intel UHD Graphics 600. The laptop runs on an Intel Celeron N4020 processor and offers up to 6 hours of battery life with its lithium polymer Li-ion polymer battery, letting you stay productive on the go. Bluetooth 5.0 included with this laptop. With connectivity options including one USB 3.0 port, one USB 2.0 port, and one HDMI port, this laptop enables you to connect various peripherals and display devices. The USB 3.0 port provides high-speed data transfer while the USB 2.0 port offers standard connectivity. Dive into our reviews for a real look at what people are saying about their experiences with us. Futopia Ultimus Pro comes with 14-inch display. Weighing just 1 kilogram to 100 grams, this laptop measures 33.0 cm in length and 22.0 cm in breadth. Slim and portable, it's great for everyday use. This laptop has a 1-megapixel camera for video calls and photos. Experience the power of Windows 11 Home operating system. Store up to 128 GB on the laptop storage drive. Multitask smoothly with 4 GB RAM. This device comes loaded with the latest features to keep you productive. Experience everyday computing with this laptop. It comes equipped with an N4020 processor, Intel UHD Graphics 600, and an LED anti-glare screen. The lithium-ion Li-ion polymer battery provides up to 6 hours of battery life. This device is designed to handle your daily tasks with ease. This laptop comes equipped with Bluetooth version 4.0 for wireless connectivity and has N-Wi-Fi for accessing the internet. The device also includes a full HD screen to view content in high resolution. With ample storage space, this laptop lets you save documents, photos, videos and more. Experience immersive audio with the standard 3.5mm headphone jack. Transfer data rapidly with USB 3.0 or connect compatible peripherals with USB 2.0. This versatile laptop simplifies connectivity.